Hey there! Welcome to this ultimate step-by-step guide to investing in Bitcoin. If you're looking to make money online, Bitcoin is definitely one of the hottest topics out there right now. And with the right strategy, you can certainly profit from it. In this video, we're going to dive into the world of Bitcoin, and I'll show you everything you need to know to get started with investing in this cryptocurrency. We'll cover topics such as what Bitcoin is, how it works, and most importantly, how you can make money by investing in it. First things first, what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a digital currency that is decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any government or financial institution. It's based on a technology called blockchain, which ensures that all transactions are secure, transparent, and irreversible. But why should you invest in Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin has been growing in value over the years, and many experts predict that it will continue to do so. In fact, Bitcoin has already outperformed most traditional investments, such as stocks and gold, in terms of return on investment. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to invest in Bitcoin. The first step is to choose a Bitcoin wallet, which is where you'll store your Bitcoins. There are many different types of wallets available, such as online wallets, mobile wallets, and hardware wallets. Once you have a wallet, you can then purchase Bitcoins on a Bitcoin exchange. Some popular Bitcoin exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Make sure to do your research and choose an exchange that is reputable and trustworthy. After you've purchased your Bitcoins, it's important to keep them safe. This is where a hardware wallet comes in handy. A hardware wallet is a physical device that stores your Bitcoins offline, making it much harder for hackers to steal them. Another important aspect of investing in Bitcoin is understanding the market trends. Bitcoin is a volatile market, and the price can fluctuate wildly. It's important to stay up to date with the latest news and developments, and to have a solid investment strategy in place. Finally, let's talk about how to make money with Bitcoin. There are several ways to do this, such as buying and holding, trading, and mining. Each method has its pros and cons, so it's important to do your research and choose the method that works best for you. Before we wrap up, let's quickly go over some of the key takeaways from this video. First, Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency based on blockchain technology. It has grown in value over the years and is predicted to continue doing so. Secondly, to invest in Bitcoin, you need to choose a wallet, purchase Bitcoins on an exchange, and keep them safe using a hardware wallet. Thirdly, understanding market trends is crucial when investing in Bitcoin, and there are different investment strategies to consider. And lastly, remember to invest only what you can afford to lose, and seek advice from a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. And with that, we come to the end of our ultimate guide to investing in Bitcoin. I hope you found this video informative and useful. Remember, investing in Bitcoin can be a great way to make money online, but it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on making money online and other exciting topics. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.